Well, hello everyone. You're about to watch a video where I mispronounced the name of a knife the whole video. It's this knife right here, the Kizer Grazioso. Um, the reason being is because I ordered it, forgot the name, and was just doing a blind unboxing. Opened the box. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but dang, does that I in the name look like an L? So the whole video, I call it the Grazloso or something crazy like that. It didn't flow very well, and I didn't realize it until the next day when I was talking to people about said knife. There we go. So yeah, that happened. Enjoy the video, anyways. And what is up, everybody? Rick here. Wow. Just working on the lighting here, so I think we're good. Anyways, okay, so got an unboxing today. I thought this was something completely different up until maybe a couple minutes ago. Let me switch that so I'm a little more center. There we go. I think this is, I don't know. I think this is a Kizer. All right, straight from Kizer. We'll find out. Before we get into it, hey, if you like knife content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. It does help with the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Everything in this video will be linked down below. There are affiliate links somewhere down there. Yeah, affiliate links. Up to you. See, up to you if you use them. Doesn't cost anything, but if you're planning on buying a knife, might as well help out a channel, right? All right, let's get into this. Yes, okay. And I don't. Oh man, I don't remember. I don't even remember the name of this. So let's go. This was a. Come on. I was just looking through their knives, and they did a. What's going on here? Oh, the lock's on. Still need to do a review on that one. They did a military discount, like 30% off, and I was just searching through their calendar. Their products, and I knew nothing about this knife. I saw it, and I saw the designer, and I was like, I'm gonna get it, snatch it up, got it for a great price. Let's go get into it. All right. Oh man, I'm gonna butcher this name. All right, so we got a Kizer. What do we got here? We got one of Sharice's knives here. A Kizer. Oh man, Grazloso. Huh? Grazloso. Lazo. Lozo. I'm gonna go Lozo. Grazloso. We're gonna go with that one. 3.35-inch blade. We focusing here. 20 CV blade, titanium handle. Boom. All things I like. I got one of Sharice. I got his Kaimano. Love that thing. It's one of my favorite knives, hands down. So I want to check this out. That's what's in the box. Of course, we've got a sticker. Kizer Bear. We got some extra hardware. We got a little thing and a little thing. All right. Cool. Standard stuff. You know how it goes. Like the look. All right. I like to just put everything back in there. Get that out of the way. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. All right, box aside. Slim. She's a slim one, and okay, this is kind of what I was hoping. It's got that kind of tech. It feels like the Kimono. Um, is OEM'd by Kizer, but not all Kizers feel the same. This is what I was hoping. This feel very sturdy. We're looking at titanium bolster, titanium backspacer, titanium pocket clip. We got a shredded carbon fiber. Looks great. Nice jimping on the flipper as well on the back of the spine. We got a little poon sticking out there. All right, let's do it. 20 CV blade. Focus. 20 CV blade. Pop. Ooh. Okay. Bolster lock. Let's do that again because that felt right. That felt right. Oh, can you get that sound? I'll go do it back here. It's got a great sound, great action. Definitely bearings. That blade, we got a little clip point, harpoon, just a slight clip point. Where's my rag here? Very. What the hell was that? That's a very nice looking knife, if I don't say myself. Let's see. Yep, falls the thumb. Shake shut right now, but it's brand spanking new. Oh, I like the thinness. Okay, I'm not. I kind of like multiple deployments. This works. I like this. This is, I mean, just right off the bat, this is everything I hoped it to be. Look at that thing. That's a nice looking blade. We got some billboarding. We got Kizer. We got the blade steel up here. We got manganese. Man, I hope I'm saying it right. Steel, their logo, Shreese logo here, and then the oh, what was they saying? Oh, damn, I already forgot. The Grazolo. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. That thing snaps out. That feels good. I like this. No sharp edges. Pocket clip seems like it's gonna do its job. Non-reversible, or is it? Can you reverse this? No. We get the. Oh man. Can choke up a little bit, like a trigger. Got that nice jimping. Got the nice poon. Feels great in the hand. Full 4-finger grip. This feels great as well. Great. Light switch, no problem. Push button, no problem. I wonder if I can. Nah, okay, I can't get it with my finger. Hardware. Let's check out the hardware. Looks like T6. Bust up the stubby. Yep, T6. Is that loose? No. My imagination, just my imagination. T6 pocket clip. T8 pivot, which is a captive pivot, so that's cool, right? I'm not going to go up here. No. Captive pivot. Get out of here. Length on this for Stanley. Grab Stanley. We're looking at an 8-inch knife. Okay, that's a nice size. I like that. Like my favorite knives are anywhere between an 8 and 8.5 inch knife. We've got a just over 3.25 inch blade with just over 3 inches of cutting edge. Is there a recurve? Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of a recurve here. A little bit of a recurve. I think I said it's on bearings. I didn't. It's on bearings. Great action. Spacing's on. I like it. Initial impression. It took me 2 seconds. It has similar. Where is it? Similar. See, you boom. I gotta turn on these lights. I just put I don't even know what they're called. What are they called? Soft boxes on these lights, and I'm still trying to dial it in. Thought I did, but my face is white. It's not. Oh, see, I can put my face. It's not that white. Look like Casper the fucking. Casper the ghost. Yeah, this is exactly what I was hoping it to be, and I like it. This is not a review. This is just a first impressions / unboxing. Yeah, there will be a review down the road once I get some time to carry it. I'm looking forward to this one. Hell yeah. That's all I got. Yeah. Please, if you haven't already, please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel. Helps out a great ton is what I was going to say. Helps out a lot. I don't know. I'm losing track here. Also, you can find me at Instagram at Rick's Knives, where there's lots of pictures of knives, right? That's it. Thank you for watching, and until next time.